Okay, well, thank you, sisters, to give for giving me this space. Well, we'll tell you what we're doing in Colombia. We are fighting against the gender identity law. Now, it's a bill that's being, worked in the Congress, and we are the only one group, we are only one non-religious group fighting this law, and we don't have support of any representative in the House now because all the so-called feminists now have been, promoting this law, saying it's needed for trans lives, and thus just emptying the meaning of being a woman and erasing the juridical meaning of woman and the sex category of women. We are also fighting to educate people about the dangers of prostitution, in person, as well as online prostitutions, since Colombia is one of the leading countries in production of pornography and exportation of women in prostitution. So we need to be present in the Congress. We are not a large group, but we can be heard in the Congress if we are, present there. But for that, we need to fund our trips from other cities or other regions in the country, and we also need, to print materials and maybe to pay some, some lodging, and we need, some different money. Even we can face legal problems because from the government, from the Ministry of Equality, we have now been have been prosecuted and defamated, saying that the sex trafficking victims that we are presenting to the government are fake denounces. So we need to even pay lawyers and go to hearings and all of that. Yes, we are the only ones fighting that, and all we do is self-funded. So anything you can do to help us will be greatly thanked, and will be showed in all our networks or pages, so you can, see what we're doing. We're resisting the patriarchy here, and yeah, we're pretty much the only group that's reivindicating that. We have friends that are fighting for this, but they don't show their faces. This is dangerous now because there are a lot of pimp mobs that are going after the women that denounce the sex trafficking and the problems with, trans identity. So any help is welcome and will be very well spent.